Hi everybody, this is my fridge and we're gonna open it up. You see it's very messy. Has old food, new food. It's just very dirty right now. My area is just very messy. Things are out of place. I have like food stains. It's just, you know, it needs to be wiped down. So we're gonna get to it and you're gonna see the process after it's done. And that's the inside of it. It's real dirty. It's my veggie drawer, my bread drawer. Now we're gonna clean it. Now it's clean and organized. Yeah, clean and organized. All right, y'all, come back and see me another time. Please subscribe.